Welcome to our tutorial about creating templates. Let's begin by zooming to View. Now right-click and delete. Same here. Delete. Yes. First, I'm going to insert a predefined view in my template. Go to Insert, Drawing View, Predefined. I'm going to drop it about right here. Let's click OK. Select Projected View. It'll be a top view, a side view, and an isometric view. Let's click OK. Now let's make the isometric view shaded with edges. We'll reposition them a little bit. And click OK. Now before saving the template, we need to save the sheet format. It'll be a B landscape. Let's enter an appropriate name, my B landscape, millimeters. Click Save. Before we save the template, we need to change the format. Right-click, Properties. Let's select our new document, my B landscape, millimeters, OK. Now I'm ready to save it as a template. File, Save As. Under Save As Type, let's select Drawing Template. And let's give it an appropriately memorable name. We'll call it My BMM. We can also give it a description that can be helpful. And let's click Save. SOLIDWORKS prompts us with a warning. Templates only store predefined and empty views, so models, dimensions, and annotations will be removed from views. Let's click OK. Now let's close this document. We'll go to File, New. If you don't see this view, click on Advanced. Here we have our template, My B millimeters. Let's click OK to open it. Close. Now select the front view. Now let's scroll down the Property Manager. Navigate down to the part and click Open. And we reposition our views if needed. This concludes our tutorial about creating templates.